Hello and good afternoon, guys. It's August 8th and it's a quarter before 5 Eastern Standard Time. This is Tron Smart Contracts, or better yet, our channel is Smart Contracts because we plan to expand and learn about all things IoT, that's Internet of Things, and smart contracts in general. I'm here to introduce a very, very new smart contract. This one actually just launched today. It's called mytronbank. It looks like a standard contract, but let's just go through it and see what there is to offer. Okay, so why choose Tronbank? This is standard information that is conveyed on all smart contracts. There's transparency, it's decentralized and has high security because it's using blockchain technology. So no hacker can access it, but it is truly driven by the user and the investor. Okay, it has a smart contract code. Looks like the minimum deposit is 100 TRX and the maximum is 4 million. Looks like 10 or 11 levels of referrals, starting from 7% down to 1%. But let's just take a look at the audit report right now. And what I like about their audit report is that it goes directly to an organization called Audit Plus. So this is their audit report. It's tapped in directly to the people that I presume did the audit. So here's the contract address. And we'll come back and click on that so that we can see it on TronScan. Has the website. Okay, and it has their direct email address, has information about their Telegram group, and it has the read and write features. So this is telling you all of the specific information that you should be concerned with in a smart contract. And if you don't know how to read a smart contract from the code, this would be a nice place to start, but I advise you to just do some research. You can Google, and there's videos out there, some really good ones that explain exactly line by line what smart contracts at a minimum consist of. So anyway, let's move on. Okay, admin fee, max hold percent. Network fee of 5%. Okay, and this is the big one that we like to see on all contracts, that the contract is 100% decentralized and there is no backdoor for transferring contract balance, changing the functions, or in any other way. None of that has been found in this contract, so that's good. Let's go on. And so if you've been involved in any type of smart contract, particularly Tron before, you already know this stuff. You know, you buy TRX either from Qcoin or Bitmart or somewhere else. Then you put it into your wallet. If you don't know how to get Tron, I'm sure there's a referral link in the description of this video. If you have the TronLink wallet, some people are using Clever. I've not heard of TronMask, but it has, I like TronLink because I'm using the browser extension. I like using it on the computer. Doing it on the iPhone is just confusing to me. I like to see everything right on the screen. So everyone knows that you use your wallet and you make your contribution and then you start earning. And like we started before, minimum contribution is 100 TRX. The maximum is 4 million TRX. And you get a total ROI of 200%. And I'm thinking that this probably includes your initial investment. So you're basically doubling your investment. So the basic rewards rate is 0.5% every 24 hours. And you get a personal hold bonus of 0.1% every 24 hours, up to a maximum of 1%. There's a leader bonus when the platform distributes 1 billion TRX. That's a lofty goal. As a matter of fact, this is starting to look a lot like the new troncase Pro model because of the 1 billion TRX for the leader bonus. It definitely makes it harder to reach the leader bonus, but that might be a built-in factor as not to drain the contract prematurely. There's a community bonus of 0.1 for every 10 million active users on the platform. Now, I haven't seen any smart contract yet to crest the 1 million active user threshold. So with this, you're gonna reach a max of 0.5% if those benchmarks are hit. And then there's a contract total amount bonus of 0.2% additional for every 1 billion TRX on the smart contract balance. And that will reach a max of 1%. So that would assume that 5 billion TRX hits the contract somehow. Okay, so yeah, this closely models the Troncase Pro. Okay, so, but it's interesting. I will say, let's just go to the Tron scan. I promised to do that. And like I said, this is super, super early. So right now there's just a little over 2,000 TRX invested, almost 3,000. That translates into 207 US dollars. Right now it's just 6 transactions. So this is super, super early in this contract. Very interesting. So usually with these, yeah. Oh my goodness. So this is actually, except for the blue color, this looks exactly like, I'll quit saying the other smart contract name, but it looks very similar. And that's fine because a lot of the smart contracts that I've encountered it's virtually the same code. And the only thing that's really different is the UI, meaning the user interface, what we look at, the color scheme. And a lot of these are just templates that are used. So more than one person can have the same color scheme idea. So that's fine too. So what we're going to do, let's make sure we have $100 in this wallet. Okay, 100 TRX in this wallet. So let's make a contribution. We're not going to do 1,000. We're going to do 100 and see if this is going to refresh or anything. I don't see it refreshing. But the deposit, so I had to push personal wallet myself. It didn't refresh like some of the other ones that we're used to. But there you go. So it looks like one of the slow and steady wins the race type of contracts. This one might be very well suited for people that are not looking to just jump into something that's going to crash in like 10 days because of lofty ROI goals, you know, putting 10, 12, 15%, and then it crashes because there's not enough new investment coming in. So even though this investment is starting out low, it nevertheless, it is growing. So let's see how this goes. And we'll check back in with this one probably in 3 to 4 days, just to give you an update to see how it's going. And then as always, if you are a supporter of this channel or the Facebook page, if you sign up for this program, send me your referral link right away so that I can put it on the next update video. We'll be happy to do that for people that support the channel and the page. So until tomorrow, and whatever new venture that's coming out, safe investing, happy investing. And remember that I'm really doing this for educational purposes and for you to follow my own personal journey. I'm not your advisor, and I never will be, but I'm happy you're here. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.